everyone, hi, this is Young. Today we are going to study how to speak date and time. Did you watch the previous video that explains about the numbers? If you know the number, it's gonna be so easy. There are not many things to remember. The number is everything to speak date and time in Korean. Okay, then let's start with date. In English, every month has its own name. Of course, in Korean, we have its own name, but it's not like English name. You don't need to remember all those things. You already know the number. Then, that's it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Then, 11, 12. So we're gonna use these numbers only. What was the month in Korean? Yes, 월. Yes, it's like a wall. Similar pronunciation. When you say this month, you can use these numbers to speak month with 월. So January is the first month of the year. Then we can say 1월, 2월, 3월, 4월, 5월, 6월, 7월, 8월, 9월, 10월, 11월, 12월. Now you already know how to speak month in Korean. Then we need to know the date. It's the same logic. Just to use the number and then add 1. 1 means day. So January 1st, we say 1월, then 1. Yes, so many 1. 1월 1일. January 3rd, 1월 3일. So just use this number only and then add 1. Something 월, something 일. 월일. How about May 15? May is 5월 and 15. 15일. Then you can guess what day I'm talking about. 12월 25일. Yes, get it? You're right! Christmas! 12월 12, December, and 20, 25일. Now you know how to speak dates in Korean. So just to use numbers. Well, maybe you want to know how to ask what's the date today. So today means 오늘. 오늘, today. In Korean, we can say 오늘은 몇 월 며칠이에요. 오늘은 몇 월 며칠이에요. You can notice that 이에요 part. Yes, we studied 이에요 before. 이에요 is kind of be verb. So it means MR is. So 오늘이, 오늘 means today. 몇 월, you know 월 already. 월 means month and 일 means date. Then 몇 means how many or how much. When you count something or when you want to know how many something, then we can say 몇. So 몇 월 며칠이에요. This is just basic form. You can't put the number in the 몇 part. Previously, I explained how to make question in Korean. When you make a question, you don't need to change any sentence or any form, just to change the intonation. If you want to ask, then you can say 오늘이 몇 월 며칠이에요? 오늘이 몇 월 며칠이에요? This is affirmative sentence. If you want to say today is March 24, then 오늘이 몇 월 며칠이에요? 3월 24일이에요. 6월 30일이에요. You still remember the difference between 이에요 and 예요. If the word before the verb has the bottom, then you put 이에요. Has bottom, has 이. Without bottom, no 이. So in this case, 몇 월 며칠, there's real bottom, so you should say 이에요. Anyway, 오늘은 몇 월 며칠이에요? 3월 4일이에요. If you know the numbers, then there's not many things to remember. Just remember two things. 월 and 일. Month and date. One more thing. Time. Speaking time is easy too. However, it's a little bit confusing. You should be careful when you tell the time. We use the same logic and same grammar to speak time as date. You need to know two things. Hour and minutes. Hour means 시, minutes means 분. 지금 몇 시예요? 지금 means now. 몇 시. 몇, yes, you still remember. 몇, how many, how much. So 몇 시, hour. 몇 시예요? In the 시, there's no bottom. That's why we didn't say 이예요, just 예요. No bottom, no 이, bottom 이. Okay? Then we can say 몇 시, 몇 분. Something 시, something 분. Hour and minute. It literally means how much hour is it now? Something 시, something 분. Like 9:30, then 9시 30분. Maybe you already noticed something different. When we talk about hour, we use the Korean number system. And for the minutes, we use Chinese number system. If you already studied two different kinds of number system, then you would know. Previously, we studied two different kinds of number system. One for original Korean number system, and the other one was Chinese number system. When we speak time, we use original Korean number system for hour and Chinese number system for minutes. So let's review very quickly for original Korean number system. 하나, 둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯, 여섯, 일곱, 여덟, 아홉, 열, 열하나, 열둘, 열셋, 열넷, 열다섯, 열여섯, 열일곱, 열여덟, 열아홉, 스물. When you use original Korean numbers in the sentence, you just delete the bottom part. For example, 하나 has two syllables. 하나, so make it one, shrink it. Then 한. And 둘, just to delete 리을, this bottom part. So two, and 셋, delete the bottom. So 세, and 넷, delete bottom. So 네. And that's it. Only 1, 2, 3, 4. Only 4 things. You change the form a little bit. Then use this original one for hours. So if you want to say it's 1, then you can say 한 시, 2, 2시. Instead of 둘시, just say 2시. The reason why we change the form is that to make it easier pronunciation. If you say 둘시, it's hard. So just to make it smoother, then 2시. So instead of 셋시, just say 세시. Instead of 넷시, just say 네시. Yes, this way is easier to pronounce. Then 5시 is 5 o'clock. And 6시, 7시, 8시, 9시, 10시. How about minute? We use Chinese number system. So if you want to say 10, 20, then 10시 20분. Or if you want to say 9:25, then 9시 25분. Then 3:30, 3시 30분. 4:45, 4시 45분. 7:05, 7시 5분. Can you get the idea? To speak date is pretty simple and easy. Just to put month and date. Like 3월 1일. But to tell the time, you use two different number systems. Well, you need a lot of practice to get used to it. The original Korean number first. 하나, 둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯, 여섯, 일곱, 여덟, 아홉, 열, 열하나, 열둘, 열셋, 열넷, 열다섯, 열여섯, 열일곱, 열여덟, 열아홉, 스물. Chinese number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. What is the date today? 오늘이 몇 월 며칠이에요? 5월 16일이에요. 오늘이 몇 월 며칠이에요? 10월 5일이에요. 오늘이 몇 월 며칠이에요? 11월 5일이에요. 오늘이 몇 월 며칠이에요? 12월 25일이에요. 오늘이 몇 월 며칠이에요? 5월 18일이에요. Then time. 지금 몇 시예요? 지금 몇 시예요? 3시 25분이에요. 10시 17분이에요. 지금 몇 시예요? 7시 8분이에요. 지금 몇 시예요? 5시 5분이에요. 지금 몇 시예요? 9시 10분이에요. Now you know how to count and tell the date and time. Now I wonder what time is it there and what's the date today? Please tell me. 지금 몇 시예요? 오늘이 몇 월 며칠이에요? Let me know in Korean. Okay, thank you for watching this video and I hope to see you again. Bye!